Did you just book your ever so fancy Hyatt Zilara Cancun adults only all-inclusive 5-star ocean view junior suite double room? Or maybe you've been thinking about booking this ever so fancy room and are wondering what that ocean view junior suite double room might look like. Welcome back to our channel, daveandrosetravels. In this video, we do a complete tour of this fancy ocean view junior suite room and show you exactly what you're paying for when booking this room. So pour yourself a drink and grab a snack and get ready to see this ever so fancy ocean view junior suite double Hyatt Zilara adults only all-inclusive 5-star room.
Okay, let's get ready for the bed test.
We are a husband and wife who live in Mérida, Mexico, and we love to put out travel content, so subscribe. On our last video, we showed you the complete check-in for the Hyatt Zilara Cancun, a 5-star adults-only all-inclusive resort located at Boulevard Cuculcan, KM 11.5, Punta Cancun, which is located on the famous hotel zone of Cancun. The Hyatt Zilara Cancun Adults Only 5-star All-Inclusive offers 310 different rooms, and this is just one of them. This room is posh and boasts everything that one would need while staying at this stunning Adults Only 5-star All-Inclusive. This stunning room features an espresso machine, mini bar, flat-screen TV, a terrace with a hammock viewing the Caribbean Sea and beach, and a luxurious whirlpool tub. Oh yes, did I mention that you have your own butler, whom will unpack and pack for you when you're ready to leave? And let's not forget the 24-hour room service that is a part of your stay, and that every room is an ocean view suite. Without further ado, let's dive into this stunning 5-star adults only all-inclusive ocean view junior suite double room.
Okay, let's get ready for the bed test. Good.
We hope you enjoyed this room tour video. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to gong that bell so you'll get a notification to see our next Hyatt Zilara Cancun video. We have tons of great footage of the Hyatt Zilara Cancun adults only 5-star all-inclusive, like the fancy, tasty restaurants that Hyatt Zilara Cancun boasts upon, the resort tour, the pool and beach tour, and the nightlife tour. So don't forget to subscribe. It's free.